guys, welcome back. Today we're back out in the garden. Today has been 43 days since we started this DIY pallet garden, which I'll put a link up in the corner if you haven't seen the beginning of this. As you can see, we have been doing a competition between steer and chicken manure. So back here, you can see both of these were planted with chicken manure. At the beginning, in the DIY videos, the chicken manure wasn't doing so well. All of a sudden, with the updates I've been doing, it's just flourishing, it's taking off, versus the steer manure up front here, we had the growth first, which I thought steer manure was definitely going to win the race, but now it's really fizzled out. Like it doesn't have enough nitrogen to keep it going. So with today being day 43, I am actually going to harvest some of this. We're going to cut it up, see what we end up with. I can tell with the spinach, I maybe should have got out here like a week ago. It looks like some of it was going to get ready to bolt. I'll pull one of these off for you guys. As you can see, it's starting to flower, basically come to head. So I'm going to get this stuff cut, and with doing that, we should actually get some regrowth again and have a whole nother mixture of salad. So today I'm just going to cut and harvest the chicken manure ones for our fresh greens. With the steer manure one, I am going to trim the tops off and see if we get any more growth. But I think this is going to be it for this, you guys. But we do got some good lettuce and stuff in here. So, all right, let's start. This is my romaine lettuce here. Just gonna take it down at the bottom. We got some fresh greens here. And it did just rain the other day, so I'm not gonna worry about rinsing these. They probably got a pretty good rinse. This is definitely what I've been looking forward to. There is nothing better than some fresh veggies out of the garden. And I think my husband and I know now that the chicken manure is definitely the way to go. Oh, we got a little buddy in there. Got a little slug. That's something you guys want to watch out for, and we'll just throw it down there. All right, let's add some spinach in there. So we got some nice leafy dark greens. I'm just gonna make sure I don't got any of the flower heads in there. We're gonna mix all this up tonight. We're gonna make an amazing fresh salad. And I think the neat thing about this, you guys, whatever we can't eat, I've got chickens that would be more than happy to eat this. All right, you guys, we just got everything cut and trimmed. We got a bowl full. So here was our spinach. I cut off everything I wanted to keep for salads. And we should get this to grow back, and I'll do an update on it and we'll see what happens in another week or two. Over here was the lettuce we cut. I do want to give you guys a heads up. For some reason in the lettuce, we did find some little baby slugs. So definitely go through your lettuce because you don't want to bite into one of those. This I'm going to save because I'll come out in a few days so I can make another fresh salad to add to the spinach. These guys up front with the steer manure, I think we're just going to leave them alone and see what happens. I think we all know what grows best with what manure. Definitely, I think the chicken manure won this battle, you guys. Here's what we got today. We've got our spinach, we got our lettuce in here. Let's go ahead and give it a try, Allie. That's good, you guys. Good and fresh. We're going to be having salads for days. That's delicious. Going forward and knowing that the chicken manure has done the best growth and has made those veggies delicious, my husband and I have centrally located our hen house right in the middle of our garden and orchard area for this reason. So when our garden isn't growing during the fall and winter, the chickens will be on it, you know, doing their natural manure, pecking the ground to keep the weed seeds away. And so this has just proven our theory of exactly why we wanted to do this. And I will put a link up in the corner also for the end result of our hen house that he built me right in the center of our orchard / garden. So hopefully that will give you some insight of what grows best. All right, you guys. Well, I hope you got something out of this video, and now you know, let's go with chicken manure because that's proven it works. Have a good day, you guys.